thrilled to bring you an exclusive 4-part question series on the top takeaways from our recent workshop at the In House Recruitment event. The first question we asked our workshop attendees was, are there any hacks that have worked for you in your recruitment? Use social media to engage your early careers candidates. Develop connections with universities and foster strong relationships with alumni. Increase your brand visibility at careers fairs. Build a structured timetable for recruitment to make your early careers plan a success. Personalize the process wherever you can. Make sure your candidate messaging is targeted, clear and inclusive. Give your candidates lots of information about the process, what are the stages, preparing for assessment center. Offer feedback at every stage. Make sure your interviews are conducted by a diverse panel. Aim for a great candidate experience. Your applicants can be positive brand ambassadors for your organization. When you find great candidates but don't have a role for them, consider other business areas where they might be a good fit. Create a rapport with influencers who can promote your organization and its values. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to join us for the second question of the series, coming next week.